Hey, I'm Kayla with WTI, and as a mom, I am always looking for a go-to reliable tote that I can use. This utility tote from WONDAY is my new best friend. This thing is awesome because it is so spacious, but it's extremely sturdy too. What I really like about it is it is collapsible to store, but then expands so nicely and has a really nice solid bottom as well as supported surfaces. So I don't have to worry about the bag collapsing in when I'm putting my stuff inside of it. So one way I've been able to use it is carrying my groceries inside in just one trip. Because the handles are so nicely sewn together, it's extremely durable and can handle the weight of my groceries. I also love that it has two different types of handles. So the carrying handles on the side, as well as the straps on top, which can allow me to throw over my shoulder for easy carrying. This bag features a really nice wide interior, but it also has some nice exterior mesh pockets too, which is really convenient for me to toss in some smaller items. This bag is so nicely made, from the stitching along the edges and the handles to the exterior pockets to even the fabric that reinforces the bottom of this. It is so well constructed. The options for this bag are literally endless. There's so much space in here. It is so durable and it's so easy to clean too. So if you're looking for a nice quality tote bag, I would definitely check this one out from WONDAY. But that's just my point of view.